shot the chick sign.
That's probably good. That's probably good enough for
Was the video on?
Yeah, it was on.
Let's see what it looked like in the video. What does
It's
that
saying
mean?
help, help.
Help, Mr. Robinson.
Gosh, I can't believe
There's a
that
car
it survived that. I can't believe that.
It didn't even crash, did it?
Well, it was up. It could have. It's like if that thing would have got hit by a car.
It would do.
There goes my. I'm not as concerned about the toy as I've got another one. There's the camera.
It did so well, and then when it got there in that wind, it just kicked off.
So tell us about what you just saw there.
I saw